Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Bitcoin wallet address in Coindcx. First, open the Coindcx app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the Funds or Portfolio section, usually found in the bottom navigation or main menu. From there, you will see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find and select Bitcoin to proceed. After selecting Bitcoin, you'll see options like Deposit and Withdraw. Choose Deposit to receive Bitcoin. Coindcx will then prepare to generate a unique address for you. It's crucial to ensure you are on the correct network, typically the Bitcoin network, to avoid any issues with your transaction. Now, Coindcx will display your unique Bitcoin wallet address. This is a long string of characters. Tap or click the Copy button to accurately save it to your clipboard. Before using it, always double-check that the copied address matches the one displayed on your screen to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. Remember, always use the correct network for your Bitcoin deposits to prevent loss of funds. Only share your wallet address with trusted individuals or platforms. Your Bitcoin address is like a bank account number, so treat it with care. For more details and other great deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.